Ever felt like your money is trapped somewhere, like a digital piggy bank you can't quite crack open? Maybe you've been diligently saving with Moka, rounding up your purchases, and now you're ready to access those funds. But how exactly do you withdraw your money from Moka? That's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Moka, for those who might be unfamiliar, is a micro-investment and savings app that helps you save small amounts of money automatically. It works by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Moka might round that up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. Over time, these small amounts can add up, creating a surprisingly substantial savings pot. Now, naturally, at some point, you'll want to access that accumulated money. Maybe you have a specific goal in mind, an unexpected expense, or you simply want to see the fruits of your digital saving. Whatever the reason, knowing how to withdraw your funds is essential. Before we dive into the specifics of the withdrawal process, it's important to understand a couple of key things. First, Moka isn't a traditional bank account. It's an investment platform. This means your money is typically invested in various exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs track different market indices, allowing your money to potentially grow over time. However, it also means that the value of your investments can fluctuate depending on market conditions. Secondly, the withdrawal process might take a few business days to complete. This is because Moka needs to sell your ETF shares and transfer the cash to your linked bank account. So, if you need the money urgently, it's important to plan accordingly. Okay, with those important points covered, let's get into the step-by-step process of withdrawing your money from Moka. The primary method for withdrawing your funds is through the Moka app itself. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. First, open the Moka app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll typically see your portfolio overview, showing your current balance and the performance of your investments. Look for the withdraw or redeem option. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it should be clearly visible within the main menu or dashboard. It's often located near your account balance or within the settings section. Tap on the withdraw or redeem button. This will take you to the withdrawal screen. Here, you'll be presented with a few options. You'll need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. You can usually choose to withdraw your entire balance or a specific amount. If you're withdrawing a specific amount, make sure it's within the available balance in your account. Next, you'll need to confirm your linked bank account. This is the account where the withdrawn funds will be transferred. Ensure the details are correct to avoid any delays or complications. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll be prompted to do so before proceeding with the withdrawal. This usually involves providing your bank account number and other relevant details. Once you've specified the amount and confirmed your bank account, you'll be asked to review the withdrawal details. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. This is your last chance to make any changes before submitting the request. After reviewing the details, confirm the withdrawal. You might be asked to enter your password or use biometric authentication for security purposes. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal, you'll typically receive a confirmation message within the app. This message will usually include the withdrawal amount and the estimated processing time. As mentioned earlier, the withdrawal process can take a few business days to complete. This is because Moka needs to sell your ETF shares and process the transfer to your bank account. The exact processing time can vary, but it's usually stated within the app or in the confirmation message. During this processing time, you might see the withdrawal reflected in your Moka account as a pending transaction. Once the withdrawal is complete, the funds will be deposited into your linked bank account. Now, there are a couple of other important things to keep in mind regarding withdrawals. First, there might be certain limitations on how often you can withdraw your funds within a given period. This is usually to discourage frequent trading and encourage long-term investing. Check Moka's terms and conditions or contact their customer support for specific details on withdrawal limits. Secondly, while Moka generally doesn't charge direct withdrawal fees, there might be indirect costs associated with selling your ETF shares. These costs are typically minimal and are already factored into the ETF's net asset value. In some rare cases, there might be specific circumstances that could affect the withdrawal process. For instance, if there's a significant market disruption or a trading halt on the ETFs you're invested in, it could potentially delay the withdrawal. However, these situations are uncommon. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, or if you have any questions, the best course of action is to contact Moka's customer support. They can provide specific guidance and assistance based on your individual situation. You can usually find their contact information within the app or on their website. So, to recap the key steps, open the Moka app, find the withdraw or redeem option, specify the amount, confirm your linked bank account, review the details, and confirm the withdrawal. Remember that the process can take a few business days, and it's always a good idea to double-check all the details before submitting your request. By understanding this process, you can confidently access your savings whenever you need them, giving you full control over your finances managed through Moka. It's all about empowering you to achieve your financial goals, whether big or small. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.